What is up? What is going on? Are you thriving?
I know you are.
I look like a freaking egg. Like
I'm concerned.
So, it's been a while since we've talked. I'm back, I'm wearing a ponytail, and I have earrings in, and I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm having an identity crisis. You know, I don't know what made me think like, you know what, let's wake up, and you know what I'm gonna do? Put in earrings. Like, who wears earrings?
Not me.
So I don't know what that's about, but anyways, today's a very special, fun day because today is the day that I am gonna do my very first day of online high school. Yeah, that's right. I didn't drop out. In my last video, I kind of hinted towards the fact that I dropped out based on the title of the video, which was I dropped out of high school and here's why. So many of you got the impression that I dropped out of high school.
Not really sure why, but
I actually am doing online school. I did say that in the video, but some of y'all didn't catch it, which is totally fine and understandable because maybe you just didn't hear. Maybe your ears were a little bit stuffed up.
I don't know.
I'm not gonna judge you.
Don't judge challenge.
We don't judge in this channel. Anyways, but today, I didn't drop out. I'm doing online high school. Today's gonna be my very first day of online high school. And so yeah, get ready to be so excited and follow my fun day. Okay, these earrings are so weird. They're like, I don't know, I'll leave them. I think they're kind of cute. Okay, I'm literally taking them out. They're so ugly.
Let's get started, ladies.
And let's get started. Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna do some light simple glam.
Just some light, simple glam, you know what I'm saying?
So anyways. Okay, so I'm back. Oh my God, it looks, why is it?
Anyways.
Essentially, the goal of today is to get some work done. So I'm taking 8 classes that all consist of classes that I don't want to be taking. For example, so I'm really excited to do online school because sometimes you submit work and stuff through like pictures, like PDF documents and stuff like that. And yesterday I was trying to submit something like just like a syllabus kind of thing. And I almost submitted a picture of noob. And it was my PE teacher, which there's 2 things wrong with this situation. One,
why am I taking PE if it's an online school?
Like I want to know the logic of how that works.
But I'm not even gonna get into it, so let's not even talk about it.
You know, out of all classes to submit like a picture of my little noob, that exact picture, PE just feels like it's not the right one to be doing, you know what I'm saying? So now that I'm out of school, I can pursue all my new dreams. I have a lot of things coming up. For example, my singing career. I need to start a singing career because now that I just am a YouTuber, I need to be like all the other YouTubers. And even if I have no talent at all, I still need to make a song. And I want to be on Genius. You know that thing, Genius, you know, where like Gabby Hanna or whatever was on it. And she was like, oh, and then everyone made a meme out of her. And then Jacob Sartorius was on it, you know. I want to be on it. So that I could be like, ooh, yeah. And then everyone could be like, oh my God, and then make fun of me. So I'm really excited for that. I don't know, recently been really lonely. I have no boyfriend. It's year 12, wait no, year 16 without a boyfriend. And I'm just sad and I'm depressed. But you know what? Who cares if I'm depressed? Because at least I
Newbie like.
So, now it's time for eyeshadow. So let's talk about my New Year's resolutions. I have a lot because my life just was really bad before and now I'm just trying to improve. You know what I'm saying? First things first, I'm the realist. My New Year's resolution of the day is
that I want to post more.
Because guess what? Now that I'm out of school, I have no excuses. Not a single little excuse. No excuses. You know, you have to be posting. There ain't no excuse about it. You gotta be posting or else the Lord will come and sue you. My next New Year's resolution is to stop crying every day. There's literally not even a reason to be crying. It's just a fun little game I like to play called
Can I Do It?
Like, can I cry? And then I do. But don't even worry, I'm fine. So first you want to brush your eyebrows up. Actually, I don't want to narrate, you're just going to have to watch and learn. Okay, so now get this thingy, it's like the little thingy, get any brow pencil, I guess, and just fill that hoe in and then brush it out. I love choking. I really want a boyfriend. I see all these YouTube couples. They're all so cute. I'm like, oh my God, literally what the freak? That is so cute. By YouTube couples, I mean, never mind. But I'm really excited just to like, you know, live my life and just to find a boyfriend one day, even though no one likes me. Because I'm kind of fugly and I have a weird personality. A boy will be like, hi, and I'll be like,
YOLO swag.
and it's not a good interaction and it's never gonna work out. But you know what? Maybe one day I'll find my perfect dream man. Comment down below who I should date. Only men that are over 65 are allowed. Just kidding. People hit me up in my DMs and they're like,
Hi, I'm like 70. Can I please you?
and I'm like, no. So now that I'm a YouTuber who does online school, I have a lot more time to be an Instagram model. So please go follow me on Instagram. I will pay you all my money and I will give you Bitcoins. What is Bitcoin? Someone tell me. I don't even know what that is. But anyways, follow me. I want a puppy so bad. I literally want a puppy even more worse than I want to be loved by my own mother.
I want a puppy so bad.
So get on it, someone. Maybe David Dobrik, give me a puppy. Speaking of David Dobrik, follow me or something, I don't know.
I stand.
Other people who I stand who don't follow me.
The Dolan twins, come on.
I have done so much to deserve your follow.
And this is what I get?
Petition to force the Dolan twins to follow me. It'll be down below. Maybe a GoFundMe. I don't know, we'll have to wait and see about that one. Why do I have 2 of these out? Time for lashes. Oh yeah, lashes. Okay, let's do that. Okay, someone just ring my doorbell. I'm gonna cry because I don't know who it is, and I have a fear of opening doors when there's doorbells because what if it's a murder and what if they kill me? So I'm scared, but I'm gonna go anyways and pray for me. I'm back and I'm better than ever. I feel like Ariana Grande with this freaking ponytail. Do I look like her? Oh my God, look, they match. I'm shaking, so.
That's normal.
Hey guys, so I'm doing school right now. Now is the time that I'm going to start school, and it's gonna take a lot of. But yeah, so I'm doing chemistry, so stay tuned. I'm dying. I'm so tired. I might die soon, but anyways. So anyways, I'm also gonna order food so we could do a good little mukbang later. Also, I hear banging right outside of my window, and I'm afraid I'm gonna get murdered. So if I don't post this video, then that means I probably died. So I kind of want to die because I don't want to be doing chemistry. Okay. I'm gonna order some Taco Bell or Sonic or fast food or maybe even healthy. You know, I'm gonna order healthy food. But the one healthy place I like to get food from, I order from there every single day. So they're probably like,
Who is this weird hoe that is ordering food every single day?
ready for some good Taco Bell num nums. Okay, now I'm gonna do school. I'm gonna do some good and fresh high school, and I'm not gonna get distracted like I usually do. I'm gonna stay on task. If you just focus on God,
Then you will get your work done.
so I'm gonna get on my work right now.
fat freak.
Oh, wait, never mind. Okay. Okay, so I'm done with chemistry. And so now it's time to do everything else that I need to be doing. I want to die. Also, I literally have like big forehead syndrome. Like I literally have like a 9 head.
Swag.
I just ate Mexican food and as if the Taco Bell didn't already ruin me, I am done. I think I'm about to decompose into a little pulp because I've had it up to here.
Anyways,
I look like a big fat egg. Humpty Dumpty has left the chat. I'm gonna go play Mario Kart and cry. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.